Ram, you can share your screen now.
All right.
Someone was going to help us continue the what's it called? Who was it?
I am going to check my book. Can I keep trying?
Yeah, that's Temitope, Abi.
Yes.
Please, you can proceed.
Okay, so update new copy from email, set email rather. Well, is that what you said?
Yes.
I'm blind.
Can you see my screen?
Yes. Um, so you are taking the email from another table to this table. Can I see the email you created first? The new email, one
Which email is that?
one you the first the one you
This
forgot
one,
the
the one we created from the employee name and did concapt.
yes.
Can you see it?
Yes.
I think you can also look at the question. Do you have the question open?
No, I just in my laptop. I'm just using my phone.
Okay. Because the query is actually in the question.
Yes.
Okay.
That's what I want to see. Yes.
Are you still giving it a try?
I'm trying to.
Okay.
And maybe you should open a new bracket. You should bring in the other table into this table into the other table.
Okay.
Sorry, I didn't get that.
Open a bracket.
Okay.
Select all from.
Okay, so let me come in. Let me come in so that we won't continue to delay. So instead of you bringing in a new table, you already have this function that you ran the other time. You can see that this table that you ran just now, this table, what's it called, Feromi just ran, it does not have any title, which means it is a newly created column. It does not have titles, which means when you ran that query, you created a new column. So all we need to do is just find the section in that query that is creating that new column. And that section in that query is from concat to the closing bracket. Can you hear me highlight it, Feromi?
Okay.
So it is this guy from that year that is doing that job. So he's the one doing this whole thing. So that is the part you need to copy and slot it into the email so that it will now create a column inside of our table. The column is already there. I mean, we are now updating that entire column based on each individual value. So we are putting each value in each row, using it to create an email. That's what we are trying to do. Let's try and run in lesson.
Okay. So set
Okay, that guy again. Update equals false. Okay, 0, right? Yeah.
oof. Okay, so it's done.
All right, so let's run that table now. Let's run that copy. Let's select all from that copy table. So we can see that our email column is now filled in. So we've been able to update that email session. Now that we are rest assured that this works in this case, so we can now drop that copy table and implement this on the actual table. Our actual table is the employee table. So we'll just repeat the process. So for me, just run the same process on the normal employee table. Okay. So yeah, we have it in the actual employee table now. The reason we took time to go and do it on a duplicate table is just to verify if this will work so that we'll not scatter the information in that table and mess up the table. So now we can delete our duplicate table now. Hold on. 1 minute. Ogechi. Ogechi, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. Good
All right.
evening.
Do you understand what just happened?
No,
Wow.
I've not gotten up to the point.
Okay. So you don't get how we are able to update this table, how we are duplicating tables.
No.
No, okay, no problem. But please just continue to follow so that you probably have an idea of what we are trying to do. Chibuzo, Chukwemeka, are you there? I'm not sure you can hear me. Ganiat,
Yes.
all right, well done. So do
Thank
you
you.
understand what we are doing?
Yes, I do.
Okay, please. So you understand the case of the duplicating of the table
Yes, I do.
and why we had to do it, Abby?
Yes, I do.
Can you guide us through the process of deleting that table since we don't need it anymore?
Oh, okay. I might not be able to help with that, but I know how you guys got to this place.
Okay,
Is it? Yes.
okay. Is there anyone that would like to help us drop this table?
Well, I can suggest. Can you hear me? Or is it noisy?
I can hear you. Fire, please let
Okay.
Fortune do it, please. Yeah, Fortune, go
Yeah,
ahead.
I think I can suggest. So I not say what I said correctly.
Go ahead
So I
now.
think we use it. Yeah, I think we use it, the truncate function. I mean, what is it called? The truncate. Yeah, truncate function.
Help us write the
So
code.
I'm thinking we'll still select the employer as the copy. I'm thinking of, I don't know.
Mm.
Then
Mhm.
use it truncate. Yeah.
Sorry?
Okay, correct. The semicolon. Then use the truncate. That's like semicolon.
Semicolon,
Yeah, enter truncate. Enter. Enter. I enter is the next one. So yeah,
Sorry, I can't hear you clearly.
oh, sorry. Truncate employee underscore copy. I see that.
This is what you said.
Yes, please.
I should run it now.
Semicolon. Yes, semicolon.
Both queries or only the truncate?
From that, the select answer.
From this one.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you run the select table again?
Oh, it only deleted data. It not delete the table.
Exactly.
Okay. So since that did not delete the table, so I can't remember the exact one to use now. I remember this one. Let me think it in my head. If I remember, I will let you know. But you can help us with it. Sorry. Thank you.
All right, no problem. Thank you. But what's it called? Feromi tried this not too long. That she did it in her presence not too long. Fire, can you help us, please?
Okay. So, Carlos, since you already deleted all the data, let's also drop the whole employee cost.
Okay.
Yeah, that is really sorry.
Well done.
Drop table. Yeah. Not random.
All right. Try and run the what's it called? The select again. So we can see that the table is no more there. So that's the query. All right, thank you. Let's move on. So it says, I picked up another bit we have to clean up. Often when databases are created and updated or information is collected from different sources, errors creep in. For example, if you look at the phone numbers in the what's it called, phone number column, the values are stored as strings. Sorry, can you help us inside the same employee table? Can you help us query the phone number column?
Okay. Just phone number, Abi.
You can query or you can whichever one. So yeah, so this is the phone number. So they went ahead and said the phone number should be 12 characters. 12 characters long, consisting of the plus sign, area code, and the phone number digits. However, when we use the length function, it returns 13 character. There is a function now called length. Do you want to try it? I'm sending the query now. They gave us a query to use, so I'll send it to the chat box now. So there is a function here called length that is used to check the length of a particular column. So let's look at it and see what it does.
I've run it. Can you see?
Okay, yeah. So we can see that, thank you. We can see that the what's it called, the length of each value in this column is 13. And they are saying that it's supposed to be 12. That's what they are saying. So it says that's because there is a space at the end of the number. At the end of the number, if you try to send an automated SMS to that number, it will fail. This happens so often that they created a function, especially to trim off the space called, the function is called trim, and it accepts the column you want to trim inside. It accepts that column inside. Okay, so it says use this trim function to write a select query again. Make sure we can get the string without the space, and then update the record like you just did for the email. If you need more information about trim, blah, 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 we can Google it. So who is going to guide us on how to, number one, the first thing we need to do is to actually use that function to trim just the same way we are able to check length or phone number. We want to use that same function on phone number. We just want to see first. We want to see it first. Then after we are able to now see it, we now want to proceed to update the, what's it called, the employee table, just like we just did not too long. So this time we will not do copy of the table. If we are able to run the query successfully, we don't need to duplicate the table anymore, since we've all learned how to do the duplication. So we just proceed and do it on the actual table. So who wants to guide us to first test run the, what's it called, the trim function? Then somebody else will help us do the updating. So who is going first? We need someone to trim this phone number first. Mr. Wuyi, Alagba.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. How have you been?
I'm good, man.
Yeah, it's good to have you here.
Yeah.
You want to
Thank you.
jump on this one?
Yeah, I haven't gone this far, but I don't know. I could just try.
Yeah, you can try. There's no harm in trying.
All right.
All right. So tell Fire what
Okay,
to
to trim it, select all, then from the phone number column. Sorry. Wait. Trim, not from, trim. Trim, then phone number.
Like this, like after select all.
Yeah. Then phone number in bracket. That's clearly not it.
Are you stopping here?
That there's already an error there, so I don't think I
Never
can
can
even go
tell. Complete
further.
what you want to do.
Okay, all right. Let's go on then. From employee table.
Run it.
Okay. Yeah, can you try the phone number without the bracket? Maybe that'll work.
Like this.
Yeah, still not working.
I think a function will always need brackets. If you look at your code very well, you will see where the error is, I believe. Look at where it is pointing out error and see around it. I mean, maybe you'll be able to troubleshoot the code.
Okay.
You can also look at the previous query that was run using length. Look at the function, look at how it was used. So,
Okay, remove the asterisk. Let's try that. Okay. Then put the phone number back in bracket. Yeah, let's run that. See what we get.
okay.
Okay, then let's test it to see if it's really trimmed. Okay, can just run that length on it again. See if it's now less.
Okay, how should she run the
So you can
length?
just copy it from up.
What do you say I
On
should do?
this, okay, I'll just run the length function on this column now. This trim phone number column.
Okay.
Okay, so how do I go about it?
Okay, select.
I should be type select.
You could just do that in another line.
Okay.
Then length. Length, trim phone number in bracket. From employee. Okay, let's try that, see if we get lucky.
Awesome.
Okay.
Great job. Awesome. Awesome. Well done. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks.
Yeah. That's great. Thank you so much. So who wants to help us do the updates? Who wants to help us with the updating of the table? So we can now we've seen that this thing works and it's actually trimmed. So who will now help us with the process of how to update the table now so that we can put this value inside the trimmed, what's it called, in the table? Who will help us with that? Fire. Ganiat. Ogechi.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay. So we can do, I think, let's just try updates. Update employee. Okay, next line. And set, let me trim phone number. What? Yeah. What's your name? Trim phone number. Yeah. Anyhow.
You are updating a table that is already existing.
Yeah. No.
Okay.
Well, is that wrong? I'm open to. It's just what I think will work. Let me try.
Okay.
Yeah, set phone number equals to Yeah. Then the trim of phone number, you can just copy the trim of phone number that is up instead of having to type. Yeah. Let's see go. Semicolon.
Should I run it?
Aya, she's asking you.
Should
Yeah, I say yes. I say yes.
I?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Hello?
My network. Yes. Hello. I'm saying yes.
From she said yes. Can you hear her? Hello, from
Network.
we can hear you. Can you hear us now?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay, so she said yes, you can run it.
Okay. I've run it.
Okay, so let's view the table and see. You can go back and run the length.
The length one, yes.
Yeah, the length one.
That's the length of phone number. Select. Yeah.
Okay, awesome. Great job.
So, sure.
Well done, Fire. Awesome. So yes, this honoring the workers, we are moving on. So honoring the workers, before we dive into the analysis, let's get you warmed up a bit. Let's have a look at where our employees live. So use the employee table to count how many of our employees live in each town. How many of our employees live in each town? So think carefully about the function we could use and how we should aggregate the data. So now we want to know how many of, excuse me. We want to know how many of our employees live in each town. So I think we already have a column called, called town name. Then they want us to count each of the employees that live in each of the respective town. So I don't know who wants to help us. This is what they want us to have. This is how they want the view to look like. So we would have each town, then we'll have the count of the town. So who wants to help us with the procedure? I'm sure we did a brainstorm on this in our last while we were reviewing the question. So who wants to help us? Anybody? You're welcome. Oga Idris, double twale to you. I cite you. Isiaka Idris, if you no greet me, I greet you. What's going on? All right, who's going to help us with this?
Michael, I greet you.
Aha,
Good evening.
well done, boss. Well done. How's it going?
Very well.
All right, so do you think you can help us jump on this question?
What's the question again, please?
So we are asked to check the employee table and aggregate our employees or the employees that are living in respective towns. So we want to count how many employees are living in particular town based on the employee table. So that is what we've been asked to do. So there are functions that will be used to do this, and there is a way to aggregate it. So they want us to do that. Can you jump for that for us?
Actually, let me see if I can try. I've not actually gotten to this extent.
Okay, let's see. A trial won't be bad. Let's
Okay. Let's select, right?
Okay.
You said they ask us to count, right?
Yes, to count the number of employees living in a particular town.
Okay. Let's select select what can I see the table again?
so I can know what I'm.
Yeah, we are working with employee table, so you can query the employee table.
Okay, let me query the employee thing. Select okay, the employee table. Okay.
Yeah, you can see the town column, right? So they want us to
Yeah.
each employee that is living in each one of those towns.
Each one of this town. Okay. Let's select let's select hello.
Yeah, she's really.
So
Yeah, select each one of the employees. Each one of the employees. Yeah, we have select province name from the employee table. Yeah. And from employee table, then count. Hmm? Am I, am I making sense like this?
what did you say?
The employee table, let's break that one down. Then you count.
Another line.
Yeah. Can we do select these things?
I guess.
Yes. From the employee table. Let's now bring that down. Count. If we do that first, let's go on that first. What do we have? Okay, these are the districts.
This is distinct or not? I said distinct. This is province, so we are working with town. I don't know. I'm just calling your attention.
We have town there. Okay.
Yeah, there is a column called town name actually.
Okay. Sorry, Pauline, can I see it again? Don't mind me. I'm still trying to catch up with all these things.
Okay.
And it's fair on me, not for
Okay,
you.
okay. The number of employees living in all of these towns. Okay. Okay, let's select town. Okay. Select town name from employee table. Yeah. Let's come down and count. Yeah, this one does not make sense. Count is not a keyword.
It is actually.
It is a keyword.
Yes, it is.
Count. Let's put in brackets.
But read what this thing is saying. Can you see what is on the screen? Allow him.
It's not valid at this position. Expecting your output. Analyze begin in the achieve.
Okay, Chibuzo is raising up his hand.
Okay, someone wants to help me, right?
Yes, if you want him to jump on it.
Please, Chibuzo, help me. Rescue me.
Okay, Chibuzo, let's go.
All right, so it's I think it's, let me try select.
Okay.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Select count, then open bracket, employee, close it, comma, town name from, sorry, that employee should be employee name, sorry. I didn't see the column. Employee name should be in the column, yeah, sure.
Are you done?
Sorry, hold on. Can I see the question again?
So the question is saying that you should use the employee table to count how many of our employees live in each town. Think carefully about what function we will use and how we should aggregate the data.
All right. Okay. Okay, select, count,
I can see your hand up. Go on, Ochibuzo.
town name. Yeah. Town name in the bracket instead of employee name.
Yes.
Yeah.
Should I delete this? The second town name.
Yes. Then from employee, group by town name. Well, let's run and see this.
Okay, you have a count of the town, which is very correct to
Yeah, I
what
should have, yeah, I should have included the town name too.
okay.
So you put a comma in town name. Yeah, let's see. Then run. Let me see.
Awesome. Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome.
So the town name should be before the count town name, so that the column comes in first and the count second. Yeah, run. All right. That
Awesome.
should be it.
Great job. Well done. Well done.
Thank you.
Yeah. Temitope, I guess this is the direction you want to go. You have another style.
I was going to try to use Dixon.
You are going to try and use these things.
Yes.
All right, let's hear you.
Select select and count 16 town name. From
Sorry?
from employee.
Is that all?
Yes. The town name shouldn't be